Today we're going to be dividing integers. So we're going to relate it a lot to multiplication because they are inverse operations. 3 times something is 6. Well, how about 2? 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times something is negative 12. How about 4 times negative 3? Negative 5 times something is negative 10. Well, I know it has to be positive in order for that answer to be negative, so I'm going to say positive 2. Negative 6 times something is 12. Well, it has to be negative because a negative times a negative is a positive, and let's say it's negative 2. So, how does that relate to division? Well, what's 6 divided by 3? 2, because 2 times 3 is 6. What's negative 12 divided by 4? Well, it's negative 3, because negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. What's 10 divided by 5? How about negative 2? Because negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. And what's negative 12 divided by negative 6? How about positive 2? Because 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Well, let's look at some rules. Here we have a positive divided by a positive equals a positive. Then we have a negative divided by a positive equals a negative. Then it's a negative divided by, a positive divided by a negative equals a negative. And finally, it's a negative divided by a negative equals a positive. Okay, so let's use these rules. We have a negative divided by a negative, so our answer is going to be positive. Negative 8 divided by negative 4, positive 2. What is negative 16 divided by 8? Well, a negative divided by a positive is a negative 2. What is 15 divided by negative 3? Well, in this case, that would be a positive divided by a negative, and we get negative 5. So, it's just like multiplication as far as the rules goes, except for instead of multiplying, you're dividing.